Well, to Brownlows, I have a new addition today, a red Ford B-Max up to 4995, 101,000 miles, high gloss black alloy wheels, comes at a 12-month MOT, 3-month warranty is standard. Come and see us at Haughton Road, Brownlows. Inside the car is a 5-speed manual gearbox. It's a petrol car, it's got a CD player, it's got a heated front windscreen on this one, climate control, like I say, 101,000 miles, velour trim inside. Come and see Dave at Brownlows.
Welcome to Brownlows Cars. If you're looking for great savings on quality used cars, be sure to like, subscribe, for more updates on our latest stock and amazing deals. Join the Brownlows Cars family today.
Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust. 351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DO1 2BP, 01325 484 870.